Welcome to Heart of America Prison Ministries and Virtual Church Media. Today is Bible Packing Day. These are examples of Bibles, all kinds of Bibles. We do ministry resource materials into the prisons, nuggets of gold, diamonds from the rough, Jet Ride to Hell, Journey to Freedom, all kinds of Bibles. Come on over here if we would. Here's examples of Bibles. Here's a Bible, one of the study Bibles that we send in. You can see that they're beautiful study Bibles. And here's bonded leather. That's leather flex. You can see the different, they're just amazing Bibles. And these are our amazing, fabulous volunteers packing Bibles at Heart of America Prison, helping change lives one Bible at a time. These are many hands make light work. Your donations, this is what it goes to. And the lives of the prisoners waiting for the Bibles are transformed. Anyway, thank you so much for all your support and all your prayers as the Word of God goes out to the prisons. I'm David Herobedian, and I approve this Bible packing message.